Today we have to discuss performance evaluation, and for that we would be discussing the confusion matrix. What actually this matrix is, actually ये इसलिए यूज़ किया जाता है that once you have made your classifier, you can evaluate that how efficient actually it is. So on the basis of that your classifier would be evaluated. तो उसके लिए मैं एक 3x3 confusion matrix की example ले रही हूँ, and I am representing these rows, ठीक है, within this 3x3 matrix. I am assuming कि हमारे पास तीन classes हैं, that is A, B and C, while the rows are fixed for the actual classes, जो हमारी actual में classes थी और उसकी जो true positive values थी, ठीक है, that was actually lying within the class of B, class of A and class of C. So these are actually the actual classes, ठीक है, of the classifier. While once we have made the classifier, तो जो उसने predict की हैं classes को within that particular column, the predicted classes are represented. This is for A, ठीक है, ये particular row बता रहे that these are actually these are the categories that is lying within the class A, class B and class C, ठीक है. So उसके बाद हमने क्या करना है, just for your ease I have calculated the total values for that, either that is for the actual class or the predicted class. So as I told you, the row is actually for the actual classes. So if I just add that 15 plus 2 plus 3, that is 20. For B, that would be 17 plus 5 plus 8, that is 30. 2 plus 3, that makes 5 plus 45, that is 50. So here it is. So it gives the total of 100 to me for the actual classes. Same would be the case for the predicted classes. You have to sum it up. So 15 plus 7 plus 2, that gives 24. 15 plus 2, the 17 plus 3, 20. Then it's 45 plus 8 plus 3, that will give 56. तो अगर आप इस सब को भी sum up करो, that will also give you the total of 100. तो ये चीज़ का आपने ध्यान रखना है that whatever the summation of total actual classes is, that should be equal to the summation of the predicted classes as well. So both of them are giving the output of true 100 values, ठीक है. But what we have to do in that, for this you can actually find out the precision, recall and accuracy. हम कैसे find out करते हैं, क्या करना है, before moving to that हमने ये चीज़ देखनी है कि that actually how we would be using the values in order to find out the accuracy for the classifier, the recall and precision. Okay, so just before that we need to see कि आपका यहाँ पे काम कैसे हो रहा है, values को देखा कैसे गया है. Let's just go for class A first. अगर हम देखें हमारे actual में तो class A ये है, but the predicted one is this particular column. So this value actually 15, this is actually the value of class A. This is the true value of class A, और predict भी उसे true ही किया गया है that it is lying within a class A. So we can say this is actually the true positive value जो कि already true थी, that was in class A, और उसे predict भी किया गया है class A के लिए. Now let's see for this particular column first. अब यहाँ पे अगर देखा जाए actual में ये value क्लास बी के लिए है, बट दैट इज़ प्रिडिक्टेड एज क्लास ए. सो इस तरह की जब कंडीशन आपके पास आ जाए, सो दैट इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी द फॉल्स पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, जो कि एक्चुअली में नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, बट दैट इज़ प्रिडिक्टेड एज द positive value. So we can see that actually it is negative, but it is predicted as the positive value for class A. So this is the false positive वैल्यू जो कि पॉजिटिव नहीं थी. सेम इज़ द केस हियर. डेफिनेशंस अगर आपको ये याद रहेंगी तो बहुत आसान रहेगा आपके लिए. दैट व्हाट एक्चुअली फॉल्स पॉजिटिव इज़ एक्चुअली दैट वैल्यू इज़ नेगेटिव, ठीक है, दैट वैल्यू इज़ नेगेटिव विच इज़ नॉट लाइंग विद इन द क्लास ए. हम अभी क्लास ए के लिए देख रहे थे, बट दैट इज़ प्रिडिक्टेड टू बी पॉजिटिव, और वो किसके लिए पॉजिटिव प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा था, दैट इज़ फॉर क्लास ए. सो दैट इज़ एक्चुअली द फॉल्स प्रिडिक्टेड वैल्यू. सो दैट इज़ एफ पी, ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी फॉर दिस. अभी देखा जाए तो ये एक्चुअल वैल्यूज थी फॉर क्लास ए, बट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ओवर हियर, दिस इज प्रिडिक्टेड टू बी, ठीक है, दिस इज एक्चुअली द क्लास ए वैल्यू, बट इट इज प्रिडिक्टेड एज the negative value. So in that case it is as actually the false negative value. What actually the false negative value is, Actually it is positive, but that is predicted as negative. Same is the case here. Actually it is the positive value for class A, but that is predicted to be the negative value, so we will say that it is the false negative value. Okay, let's see for class B now. अब B के लिए अगर आप देखो, this is the actual value, but let's go for this one first. Actual में ये हमारे पास पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है विच इज़ इन क्लास बी, और उसे प्रिडिक्ट भी किया गया है पॉजिटिवली फॉर क्लास बी, सो वी विल से दैट दिस इज़ एक्चुअली द ट्रू पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. ओके, अब हम दोबारा से पर्टिकुलर कॉलम ही को देख लेते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट व्हाट वी जस्ट सॉ दैट here is the pen. Here we can see that actually ये देखा जाए false positive में क्या था, actual negative predicted as positive. Actual में ये value class A के लिए rely करी थी, but according to the prediction that is considered to be the positive value for class B, but actually it's not. So this is actually the false positive value. Same is the case here. Actual value is actually it's negative, it's lying within class C, but that is predicted to be the positive value for class B. So this is again the false positive. Okay, let's see these actual values. Actual में ये value positive है, but that is predicted to be the negative value for class B. So this is actually the false negative. मैंने इसलिए different color के pen से mark कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको आसानी हो. Red is for the class A. Now I am using blue pen for the class B ताकि आपको आसानी हो इस चीज़ में, मिक्स अप ना हो, जंबल अप ना हो जाए. Again, this is actually the positive value, but it's predicted to be the negative value, so it's the false negative. Now let's see for class C. Actual में देखा जाए, if I just come up here, this is actually the true value for class C, and that is predicted to be the true value as well. So this is true positive. यहाँ पे अब हम दोबारा से चले पर्टिकुलर पहले कॉलम ही को देख लेते हैं. एक्चुअल में यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली द फॉल्स वैल्यू. ठीक है, दिस इज़ नॉट द, ठीक है, फॉल्स नहीं. पॉजिटिव में क्या था, एक्चुअल नेगेटिव इज़ प्रिडिक्टेड टू बी पॉजिटिव, सो एक्चुअली दिस इज़ नॉट द value for class C, it's for class A, but it is predicted to be the positive value, so that is again the false positive. Same is the case here. Actual में देखा जाए it's negative value, but it is predicted to be the positive value for class C, so again it's false positive. Same would be the case here. Actual में ये value positive है for class C, but it's predicted to be the negative value, so it's again the false negative. Same is the case here. Actual में positive है but predicted to be the negative value, तो ये इसने हमें गलत दिया है, and that is false negative. Here it is. ठीक है, ये values इस तरह हैं. तो अगर हम first of all calculate करें precision, अब हमारे पास problem ये है that we have to calculate according to that position में हमारे पास आ जाएगा that we have to calculate precision and recall for each class, and then we will go for the accuracy. Okay, so precision की तरफ अगर हम आए, according to precision formula, what it is, that is actually the true positive divided by true positive plus false positive, जो कि actually positive थी नहीं, but that was predicted to be false positive. और इसका आसान तरीका है, अब अक्सर बच्चे ये फार्मूला ही एक्चुअली है, तो मैंने इसका एक आसान एक चेक सा भी आपको बता देती हूँ, क्योंकि मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स डू मेक मिस्टेक इन पेपर. जब हम आपको आप यहाँ पे क्लासेस एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं लाइक 2, 3, 4, अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा तब ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली, और आपको एक इस तरह से भी याद रख सकते हो दैट व्हाट ट्रू बट एक्चुअली प्रिसीजन इज़, दैट इज़ करेक्टली प्रिडिक्टेड values divided by the total predicted values for that class. ठीक है, so first of all I have to calculate the precision for class A, and for that is first of all I have to go for the true positive value, and that is for class A true positive value हमारे पास क्या थी, that was 15. so here it is, 15 divided by the all of that total predicted true positive and false positive values. So here it is true positive and false positive values. रेड के जो रेड वाली थी वो that was for the class A. So true positive plus false positive. So here it is 15 plus 7 plus 2 that gives me 24 total. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया. So here it is and that gives me the precision of 0.65. Same is the case for class B. Again true positive correctly predicted values divided by the total predicted. ठीक है. So correctly predict कौन सी हुई थी? This one. Now the blue one I have to see, so that is 15. Here it is 15 divided by the false positives. ठीक है. Actual total predicted values जो थी actually. So that is 2 plus 15 plus 3 that gives 20. So here it is 15 divided by 20 that will give me the precision of 0.75. For class C again I have इस formula से बता देती हूँ. True positive divided by the summation of total predicted true positive and false positive values. So true predicted is 45. Here it is divided by these are the false positive values जो कि actually में positive नहीं थी but उसे positive predict किया गया है. So these are false positive values. 3 plus 8 plus 45 that gives me the sum of 56. So here it is 0.80. Let's see for recall. For recall the formula is true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. ठीक है. जो कि actually में positive value थी but that was predicted to be the negative value. So that is false negative, or you can say correctly classified values for that class divided by the actual total actual values. ठीक है, for that particular class. So the recall for class A would be true positive value क्या है? That is 15. Here it is. And what do I have to see? True positive and summation of true positive and all false negative values. So हमारे पास ये थी false negative values और इस formula के basis पे भी देखिए कि actual values of that class. So here it is 15 plus 2 plus 3 that gives me the total of 20. So 15 plus 2 plus 3 that gives me the total of 20. So I'll get the recall of 0.75. Now for class B, correctly classified divided by the total actual values of that class. So correctly classified was 15 divided by these were actually the correct values for class B. So that was 7 plus 15 plus 8 that gives 30. So 15 divided by 30 0.75. For class C same again, actual true positive value and then the summation of all true positive and false negative values. It was that one. For black one is actually for class C जो मैंने बताई थी. So that is the summation of 50. So 45 divided by 50 would be 0.9. So here we are done with the precision and recall. और उसके बाद अब हम देख लेते हैं for accuracy. How do we have to calculate the accuracy of our classifier? And for that the formula is true positive plus true negative values of all of, ठीक है, all true positive and true negative values जो कि actually में true थी और actually में ही ठीक है negative थी for each and every class. Total correctly classified values you can say divided by the summation of all actual values of each and every class. ठीक है, or you can say total correctly classified values divided by the total actual values of each and every class. तो हमारी जो totally you can say the true positive values जो हमने calculate की थी और जो वाकई true negative थी, so in that case it was this one and this one. True positive values 15 plus 15 plus 45. So here it is 15 plus 15 plus 45 and the summation was 100. So here it is for all that it was 100. So divided by 100 that gives me the accuracy of 0.75%. So this is how it's calculated. And we can say that our classifier that we have made, it's giving us the accuracy of up to 75%. ठीक है, अगर हम इसे round off कर दें. So here it is.